Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up connecting Amex to Mint alternative sites, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Navigate to the Mint alternative site of your choice. Create an account if you do not already have one. Fill in the required details including your email address and a secure password. Verify your email address by checking your inbox for a confirmation link. Once verified, log into your new account using your credentials. Look for an option that says Connect Accounts or Link Bank Accounts. Click on this option to start the process of adding your American Express account. Search for American Express in the list of available financial institutions. Select American Express from the list. You will be prompted to enter your American Express login information. Type in your user ID and password. Make sure to check for any two-factor authentication steps that may pop up during the process. If prompted, enter the verification code sent to your registered mobile number or email. Once your credentials are accepted, you might need to grant access permissions. Read through the permissions carefully and confirm them to link the accounts. After successful connection, wait for your transactions and account data to sync. This may take a few minutes depending on the platform and connection speed. Once synced, navigate to the dashboard to view your American Express transactions. Explore the features to categorize and track your expenses. Make sure to familiarize yourself with any additional tools offered by the site. Regularly check your Mint alternative to stay updated on your finances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.